Hello, welcome back to a new video. Today we are gonna try Bird Assassin. I played it for a little bit, so we don't have to start from the start. But I haven't played it that much. I think it's a really good game. The concept of the game is really fun. But if you are a little kid, you probably shouldn't play it. But it's like just shooting birds. Give me a second, I have to put it on my video. There we go. All you do is running, shooting, collecting money, upgrading your weapon. Why can't I jump? Options, gameplay, keyboard, jump. Let's try that, see how that works. I like the jump, nice. And the longer you goes, the harder it gets. Sometimes someone explodes. I like the shotgun, but the minigun is the best in the game. I think I can go over the weapons afterwards. And they have bosses too. And you have to be careful because you are dying really fast when you start taking damage. That's a huge problem. When you start taking damage, you die really fast because, and if those guys explode on you, you die instantly almost. And the golden bird, he drops a lot of gold, so you have to try to kill it. I'm sorry if here is a bonus round where you get the minigun and you try to kill everything, get as lot of money you can. I don't think you actually lose HP in the bonus round. But I think we are gonna grind for the minigun. Sorry if I get quiet, I'm trying to. And the mushrooms, they give you health back. I don't like the little chicken that explodes because I can't see them when it's a lot of birds. The shotgun is so slow, but it do a lot, almost one shot everything. So I think it's 20k to get the minigun. So it's just a couple rounds. I'm almost dead. Ah shit. This is the ending. Here you see your total money. Like you can buy that gun, auto shotgun, minigun, health jug. Yeah, sorry, I'm back now. I had to take a fast toilet turn. So let's do this one again. Try to get some more money to buy the minigun. See how that works. I have to go back. Let's do that shotgun. Go hunting. We open up new spot. Let's try it. Why doesn't it change my gun? Ah, shit. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that. Love game, not there. How do I equip it? Is it equipped now? No. Let's just try to finish this one. It's gonna be hard without a shotgun because the starter gun is useless. I can't. I have to. Wrong one. Load. Gun mart. How do I equip it? Go hunting. I don't know why it's not equipping it. This gun is so useless. I'm just gonna try to run through everything. Here's a bonus round. Try to collect as many coins as you can. I have to keep running because I can't clear anything almost. I'm dead. Why can't I equip the gun? There is the heavy shotgun. I have bought it. You see there. Go hunting. It should be equipped now. Let's try this round. See? No, still not equipped. Why isn't it equipped? I'm so sorry for that. I can try to buy the auto shotgun after this one. Or should I just save it for the minigun? I don't really know that yet. I know there is a lot of coins there, but I can't really pick them up because then I'm gonna take damage. bonus round again. Ah shit, I'm almost dead. I have to try to not take any more damage. Ah fuck, I died. That ain't fun. But I don't understand why I can't equip it. Because I have equipped that one. But I want to equip this one. Yeah. Apparently I can't equip it. Sorry if I'm quiet, but I'm trying to win this round somehow, so I can buy the new weapon, so I can keep on going on the maps and not be stuck and not get any coins, because if you die you don't get any coins, even if you have killed a lot of birds. And if there is any games you want me to try out, or you like them and you want to watch me play them, just comment in the comment sections, because I'm looking at the comment sections if you want me to play any games, because I'm willing to try every game, but I don't want huge games. I like to try out the smaller games, but like League of Legends, CSGO and that, everybody is making videos on them, so I want to try smaller games just for fun and see how normal people have made them without a lot of money, because bigger games, the bigger the money. I'm working on my own game right now, so I think that's it. Making a game is pretty fun, but it costs a lot of money if you want to have a good game. But if you are like me, living in Norway, not having a lot of money to invest in a game, then it's gonna be pretty hard to make a good game. Because you have to make everything yourself. You can't just go buy the script you need. Come on, birds. Can you please die, birds? There, bonus round. Here you have to eat all the cans. That was easy. I think that was all of them. Yeah. Could jump down there. Get some of the coins. I don't I don't pick up all the coins because I don't see what I think they are worth. Like 1 coin. Of course, in the long terms, it's great, but if you're just focused on killing, you are actually gonna get more coins of that than picking up the coins. I don't really know. Yeah, it's 5 coins. Maybe it's worth to pick them up. I don't know. I don't think they are making updates for this game anymore, but I think it's real fun, and I bought it when it just came out because I'm beta testing a lot of games just to see how they are doing it. Just not to copy anything, just to see how they make their games, because like people like don't have really much money to put in a game when it's your first game. Maybe your first game is gonna be trash and your second game is maybe gonna be better because then you have earned some money to make a bigger game and a more exciting game and a bigger story game maybe. Because I'm focusing, I don't like to make multiplayer games. I like to play solo games with a lot of quests. Not too much quest because you have to have a storyline. That is not always the easiest. Fuck, it's a boss battle. That's a huge chicken though. Aim for that. Chickens. Jump. Oh, they are so fast. And I'm shooting so slow. Maybe I can kill him right now. Maybe I can buy the auto shotgun right now. 13k. Or wait one more, take one more round and buy the minigun maybe. I'm gonna take one more round. See how that goes. Just take it slow. I think this video may be a little bit long, but that's hopefully fine for you guys. Someone like long videos, someone like short videos. So it's hard to know. But yes, if someone wants this game, I can gift it for you because when I buy a game, I always buy 5 extra because they just to give them away, let other people test them. And I don't think it's that expensive, maybe $2. But if there is a game you want me to test, just let me know. I'm gonna try to. Yeah, if it's really expensive, I don't think I'm gonna buy it because if I'm gonna buy expensive games every single video, it's gonna be really expensive for me. But if there's a cheap game you want me to test, I don't know if it's Crash or something, just let me know. I'm gonna make a video on it. And if you want to make a video and explain me the game, you can do that too. Just let me know. I'm not a huge YouTuber, so I have time to play with others. So just comment if you want me to test the game and we can test it together. If you don't have it, I can buy it for you. But I'm not buying expensive games. I like to test smaller games, so I don't see the point of buying expensive games because I'm not gonna play them. I like to support smaller games. Maybe they can get some more updates. There's the minigun again. I think when you get the bonus round, I think you are halfway then. I don't really know, but maybe. I'm sorry if I'm a little bit sick, so. It's the minigun round. This round I think it gives you a lot of money actually. $3,000. That's a back one. I'm always focusing the sky before I focus the ground. Shit. I hope I'm close to done right now with this one. Because I don't have that much HP left. A lot of birds. That guy explodes. Turkeys. Turkey! You did a lot of HP. That guy explodes. I'm probably gonna die here. I just know I'm gonna fuck it up and not push. Yeah, right. Why is this? Yeah, fuck me. But why can't I get the shotgun? That's really annoying. I want that shotgun here. Go hunting. But it's not letting me get it. Let's do this. I just need 4.5k to buy the minigun. Maybe take one or two small rounds to get them. Just because I can't use any other weapons. Sorry if I'm quiet, I'm focusing. That's the duck. It's almost dead. All the coins fell into the thorns. What am I aiming for? Almost round. Collect as many coins. The time limit. That was a lot of coins. Mushrooms to get the health back. Oh shit. One run. But do I have to shoot the car? Ah shit. Take that, you chicken. What happened? Low. I think that's a glitch. Lol. There you go. Did we get enough money? I don't think so. 16,000. We need 4,000 more. Let's do this one. I know we got 4.5k. Sorry, just give me a second. And if you guys want daily videos, just comment in below, because I can do daily videos right now, but in the future I don't really know. But at least I'm gonna try to do as good as I can as daily, but I'm gonna try to do it every day. But some days are just really slow, and then those days I like to just relax, because I'm working with fixing cars. So I have a job too. At the same time, I'm trying to make videos for you. And if it isn't daily videos, then I'm gonna try to do 2 the next day, just to get it right. And I'm always having giveaways, so if you subscribe and comment and you like my videos, I'm just gonna pick you if you are active on my YouTube channel. I'm just gonna pick you and give you a $5 to $20, maybe 50. Normally I do a $50 gift card every month. Just one time. But if you want to win a gift card, I'm just picking random on people who I see is more active on my YouTube account. So then I'm giving $5 if I see you're active. Then you have to watch you have to watch at least 3 of my videos to participate in the comment section, and you have to show me you have seen 3 of the videos if you are getting picked. And I'm also accepting too, but you just have to see you have seen more than one of my videos, because it's not fair. Because someone is maybe someone is watching every video just to participate, but and you have watched one. That's not fair. the more videos you have seen from my account and the more videos you like, the bigger chance you get to join or win the giveaway. And I'm doing daily giveaways of $5 or daily. I'm doing giveaway every fuck. I took a lot of every video of a $5 gift card on Steam or whatever you want it to be. I'm just buying it, so you tell me what you want to do. Can I get back up here? I don't really know. Or do I have to go back that? No, he's too fat to jump. I'm not fat shaming anyone, so just relax. Just saying he can't jump that high. I didn't mean to call him fat. I'm halfway and almost dead. That's not good. Ah, shit. I have to get some health back. Here's a mushroom. And I'm not recommending this game for kids because if you see, it's like when you kill them, they are getting bloody. And maybe YouTube don't like that, I don't really know, but I'm still gonna upload this video. Can I actually finish this? There we go. It's the boss battle again. I'm almost dead. I can't get hit at all. Jump. Ah, I took a little bit health there, but not much. I'm killing him really faster now. Just focusing. Okay, kill chickens. Come on, shoot faster, 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 faster. Come on. Aim for that. I think I can kill him now. Yeah, he's not gonna spawn more chickens. Last time it took longer time because I fucked up. I was shooting at this body and I had to shoot at this head. 22,000 purchase, yes. Go hunting. Let's see now if I have the minigun. I hope so. Yeah. Come on. Let's speed through this one. The minigun is not doing that much, but it's shooting that much damage, but it's shooting really fast. I'm just gonna check how long this video is. Almost 35 minutes. Yeah. Okay, keep going. Just gonna try to max everything out. Then I'm done with this game. I'm sorry if you want to see the game from the start, but I'm just playing, so it's not that. So it's you don't have to see the slow part of the game. But I'm trying to buy everything and trying to unlock every map to see how it is, how hard it gets. I try to get as many coins. I think I got a lot of coins there. Minigun is so OP though. I'm just gonna keep a pair as long as I can. I'm sorry. Be right back.